whatever time you are watching right now, good day, good evening. I am Cecilia Angkay with Samuel Velasquez from Group 1, and we are to present about our topic, performance assessment. Now let's see here the definition of Macmillan 2007 about performance-based assessment. So a performance-based assessment is when the teacher observes and makes a judgment about the student's demonstration of a skill or competency in creating a product, constructing a response, or making a presentation. The pictures shown below are examples of performance-based assessment wherein you can notice that these examples can also be useful in real world. So a performance assessment are to make use of information into a real world. So a student or a learner are expected to demonstrate or perform their acquired skills and knowledge. So the teachers are the observers and one who makes the judgment about the student's demonstration of a skill or competency. So basically, a performance-based assessment is what you do with what you know. And this involves students producing a project, whether in a form of oral, written, individual, or group performance. So a performance-based assessment also comes in different kinds or different forms. It could be a group projects, a reflection journals, creating presentation using technology, as what we are doing right now. We're using technology, we're integrating this technology in our presentation for us to have this creative presentation, for us to have a good presentation and comprehensible presentation. Then writing papers or poems, book reports, running records and miscue analysis, portfolios, and student demonstrations. So the students are engaged in creating a final project that exhibits an understanding of concepts they have learning. So after they learn that particular subject, the students are expected to exhibit their understanding of that concepts. So they are to do an output to perform or to demonstrate these learnings and skills. So that's it for performance-based assessment. So let's move on for the meaning and nature of performance assessment. Performance assessments provide a basis for teachers to evaluate the effectiveness of the process or procedures used and the product resulting from a task performance. Performance products are outputs produced by the students that provide concrete examples of their knowledge and understanding of the subject matter. For the process-oriented assessments, it provides insights into the students' critical thinking, logic, and reasoning skills. So according to PopHom 2011, there are 3 features of genuine performance assessments. So these 3 features must be possessed in order to have that genuine performance assessment. So these are multiple evaluation criteria, pre-specified quality standards, and judgmental appraisal. For the multiple evaluation criteria, the student's performance must be judged using more than one evaluation criterion. So for example of this are rubrics. So in a rubrics, there is not only one criteria to be judged. So it comes into different criteria. So for example, if the main objectives of the teachers is to measure or to test the communication skills of the students, so the criteria may have that conciseness and have that clarity of voice or clearness of voice, the intonation, or how effective the students to communicate, and etc. And for the pre-specified quality standards, each of the evaluating criteria on which a student's performance is to be judged is clearly explicated in advance of judging the quality of the student's performance. So here, there are pre-specified quality standards already set by the teachers. So as the learners